And now, the masterpiece of bizarre love that stunned France, a portrait of love and submission to disorder the senses. Once upon a time, there was a French author named Anne Desclose, who had a relationship with Jean Paulhan, a famous literary critic and publisher. Paulhan was a fan of the Marquis de Sade's writings, who we've met earlier in this course, and told Desclose that a woman could not write in a similar fashion. Her response was to write The Story of O, and Paulhan arranged to have it published, listing the author as anonymous. The book, of course, became extremely popular and controversial. It was being picketed at the same time it won one of France's most prestigious literary awards. It wasn't until 1994, at the age of 86, that the author revealed herself, although she maintained her pen name until her death. The influence of The Story of O on BDSM culture, as well as on later erotic authors like Emmanuel Arsan, cannot be overstated. So, what's it all about? Well, here critic Andrea Dworkin explains, there's a whole lot of fucking, sucking, whipping, chains, bondage, humiliation, submission, and so forth. Although the novel does emphasize again and again that this is all voluntary, that O is a willing and even eager participant in her own degradation. How believable you find that scenario is, of course, open to interpretation, but that's the point. The Story of O is a representation of fantasy. You can make a case for it as either a male fantasy or a female, as feminist or anti-feminist. But there's no question that it meets that basic tenet of erotica versus porn, which, remember, is the theme of the central figure undergoing a journey and discovering things about herself that change her forever. Is it any good? Well, there's only one way for you to find out. This course is predicated on the assumption that you want to learn more about erotic literature, and that you'll go and check it out on your own. No two people seem to have quite the same take on The Story of O. It's a real Rorschach test of a novel. See what you think. Oh, and there's a movie, too.
Adelante, Iván. Más a prisa y más fuerte. Tiene que gritar.